Hello everyone, my name is Nova of the Elemental Gamers. I can't even say the own channel name because I'm so excited. We have another Beyblade unboxing and it is Glide Roktavor. I am so pumped for this. I actually love the Roktavor line of Beyblades, but I don't have many of them. I have Crash Roktavor. I think that's his name. The Turbo Roktavor, but that is absolutely it. So, getting my hands on a non-recolor Roktavor is amazing, and just a Roktavor overall, for that matter. It's like stuck to the package for some reason. I actually do know the parts for this one, so this should be a slightly more accurate review than usual. We have, of course, the beloved Speedstorm launcher. We have the one and the only Revolve S, I think. Revolve S? Revolve Speedstorm? I don't know, but it is Revolve. We have Wheel, and oh my god, this is actually very heavy. We have the Storm Chip, which is the Roktavor Storm Chip. The Roktavor Storm Chip, I cannot talk. And the Glide Ring, and oh my god, guys. Has the gimmick. It has the gimmick. Oh. Look at that. It is beautiful. And when you put it together, what do you get, guys? Pure beauty at its finest. Let's do a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ooh. Ow! That one actually hurt. Okay, it's heavy, for sure. Okay, first off, we're gonna have it against Super Hyperion. First to 2 points wins. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Whoa! It just made it. It just. Oh! Hyperion just bounced off like nobody's business. Roktavor almost bursted. I'm surprised it didn't burst. I'm surprised Hyperion didn't burst. How close is Hyperion? Not close at all. Okay. One more match. Unless Hyperion bursts it, or gets a survivor finish. Which is not going to happen against the King of Stamina. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Go, Roktavor! That's what I'm talking about. King of Stamina right there. Didn't come close to bursting that time. How close was Hyperion, though? Very close. Okay, next off we have Curse Satum. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. This is a battle at its finest, guys. Oh, they're just chilling now. They're going for the middle. Defense versus stamina. And of course, when it comes to that, You gotta give Roktavor the win. That was obviously Roktavor, who did not come close to bursting, while Satum did not come close to bursting. Okay, let's do that again. Probably Roktavor will win. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Go, Roktavor! Oh. You won, but you got a lot of scrapey scrape there, boy. Got a lot of scrape. I still love you though, man. You're still the best in the world. Alright, it just bursted in my hand. It just bursted in my hand again. And last battle, Roktavor versus Brave Veltriak. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't burst, Roktavor! Oh, Veltriak. No! Roktavor, no! Oh, no! I didn't say Glide Roktavor was the best with burst resistance. Yeah, it's the best. It's definitely the best of the worst, though. Oh, that's awful. Come on. I wanted Glide to win. Look at this beauty. That is pure beauty, guys. Either way, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications to see when the Elemental Gamers come up with brand new content. Until next time, stay ice cream cool, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.